Hello, my name is Leah Blankenship. Thank you for joining me for my presentation of my research findings on technology in second language teaching and learning since COVID. I was not in the classroom when the pandemic hit. I was caring for my young children at the time, but my favorite education professor 20 years ago was a huge proponent of using technology in the classroom creatively and taking advantage of the resources available to us through the internet. So for my master's problem of practice project, I wanted to see what changes in technology use have remained since the pandemic and which strategies and platforms are most effective. I want to start off with some overall positive changes in education since COVID. First, online meetings are more flexible, and that goes for meetings among students who are working in groups, between students and teachers, and between teachers and other school faculty. Another benefit that is not strictly connected to technology, but is worth mentioning, is that teachers have become even more mindful of students' mental health and teaching emotional regulation strategies. Another benefit is that teachers are able to have class now in cases of inclement weather, such as snow days. And finally, teachers say that overall, technology is better integrated into their teaching and students' learning. In terms of other lasting challenges from the pandemic, all of the obvious negative impacts of the pandemic were mentioned in the literature that I found about technology. Rising disparities and resulting changes in student performance and behavior are part of the complete picture, which makes it hard to isolate and study specific types of technology use and their impact. We need more research. As a side note, there is a lot of research on second language learning coming out of China and other Asian countries with a large population that is paying for private one-on-one English instruction. But not all of that research applies to the type of classroom language instruction and larger class sizes that are most common in U.S. language classrooms. I did find multiple lists of online platforms and resources frequently used by language teachers. Most of them are not tools that are specific to language learning, but a few of them are, such as Conjuguemos, which is a new resource to me and something that I plan to use in my classroom in the future. I am going to finish with a list of some of the most useful references that I was able to find. And thank you very much for listening.